My lord, this week I pray for dispose of it in the terms of Suresh Ram, my lord.
Suresh Ram.
My lord, take still from him.
When were you removed?
I have not removed, my lord.
Then why are you going in Suresh Ram? For what purpose?
My lord, the petitioner was a
What is your prayer?
Yes, my lord. Prayer is, my lord, for pay a scale, my lord, on the post of Prakhand Shikshak, my lord. He was appointed by the on the ground of compassionate appointment, my lord.
Compassionate appointment. Yes, you are not giving pay scale.
Counter affidavit has been filed, my lord. Kindly may see annexure A, my lord.
Yes.
There have been appointment as compassionate, my lord. And from perusal of the letter issued by the respondent number 2, Principal Secretary Education Department, it makes clear that बिहार के पंचायत प्रारंभिक शिक्षक नियोजन एवं सेवा शर्त नियमावली 2006 के तहत पंचायत प्रखंड शिक्षक का नियोजन संबंधित पंचायती राज संस्था
Did you appoint him on that post?
assistant teacher.
On compassionate ground you have appointed, no?
They are not regular teacher, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, why have you appointed him on the assistant on this post, which was a dying cadre?
Yes.
Why?
Line cadre, yes.
Please give out reasons why you have appointed them on this post. If this was a dying cadre, you could not have appointed anybody on that post.
By the term condition by this letter, my lord, it makes clear that he.
See, a person who is to be appointed on compassionate ground, he cannot challenge your action. We have already held. If you appoint him on a class 4 post, he will have to go on that class 4 post. If you appoint him on class 3 post, he will have to go and join
He
there.
accepted the term and condition.
He has
of
to
the
accept
appointment.
it. He cannot deny it. But we want to know from you, once you are to give him you have taken a principle, you have decided to give appointment on compassionate grounds. If a person dies, now if he is appointed on a dying cadre, then it is your fault. How does he know whether that post is treated as a dying cadre? He has to be appointed on a substantive post that we have already held. A person has to be appointed on a permanent post. He can't be asked to go here and there after 10 years. You say no, go back.
Lord, he has been appointed as assistant teacher, Lord, under guidelines of the 2006. Under these guidelines.
Why did you appoint him in 2006?
Government has. This is the
government has done it. Why? This is what you are for the government. We are asking you. Call your advocate general.
But the guidelines has been given, Lord.
We can't allow this kind of practice. So it all depends upon you. You appoint somebody on this post, which is a dying cadre. You appoint somebody on a regular post. Is it not so? Answer. Counsel for the respondent has invited attention to their order passed on 2/5/2015 to submit that the petitioner was appointed on compassionate grounds as an assistant teacher.
प्रखंड टीचर में
ब्लॉक टीचर हैं ये
सहायक शिक्षकों के पद के
ब्लॉक टीचर
known as block teacher. It is submitted that principally a decision was taken to treat assistant teachers section as a dying cadre. And those who are appointed under the rules of 2006 were to be placed in the fixed pay, and accordingly the petitioner is being paid in the fixed pay. Para. This court finds that a person who is offered appointment on compassionate grounds, come on, is not in a bargaining position. However, such appointment has to be on a substantive post. If the respondents have appointed the petitioner on the said post as above, the petitioner cannot be put to a precarious position the respondents would have to therefore make appropriate corrections in their orders. Once further, the respondent shall file a supplementary affidavit in terms of the aforesaid observation, giving out reasons as to why they should not be directed to treat the petitioner as a regular teacher.